Okay, and maybe one last thing, or maybe the last two things I'm going to show you. Okay, I'm I'm going to close this one first. Let's see the streamline. So go to grid properties and then tick the streamlines here and then untick the show grid. You will see all the streamlines. And if we go to two-dimensional view, tick streamline there, you can see. Okay, but we can go back to 3D view and let's focus on the fracture there. If we untick the well, click this one, user well filter, deselect all, just show the producer 5 and 6, and this one, click on OK. Oh, you cannot see the streamline. Yeah, maybe the streamline needs all wells to be shown. So let's go back to select all. Okay, because yeah, streamline is the connection between producer and injector. Or maybe let's maintain the injector, deselect all, producer 5, 6, and horizontal well, and the injector. Okay, so I think it's a little bit better. Okay, so clearly we can see that the fracture, all the section of the fracture contributes to the flow. Okay, we see that all fracture is working on or working with formation. All right, and we can also lastly use user cut. Okay,